So good morning, everyone. We are done with our first quarter and we are now starting our second part. So for our first lesson, I have here light. If you have noticed, the words that we have here have the same ending sounds. We have bridge, fridge, love, dog, hook, hook, piece, peace, change, range, face, race, growl, and owl. All these words here have the same ending sound. If the words have the same ending sound, we call those rhyming words. So rhyming words are words that have the same or similar ending sound. So this time I have here different words and identify the words that have the same ending sound or that are rhyming. That's correct. We have moon and soon, nine and wine, down and town, drop, stop, crash, bash, and play and play. Very good. Okay, this time we have here some stars. If you have noticed, there are words in the stars and some letters have underlined. We have in, super, able, we, and full. The words that have underlined are what we call affixes. So when we say affixes, these are a set of letters generally added to the beginning or end of a root word to modify its meaning. There are two kinds of affixes. First one is we have prefix. So when we say prefix, these are letters that are attached to the beginning of a root word. We have here some examples. First example is we have in, or ill. These prefix means not or opposite of. For example, we have imperfect. We are all imperfect, but we can be perfect in our own little ways. Illegal. Doing something illegal is not good. Irresponsible. Please do not be irresponsible with your things. And we have inaccurate. Inaccurate measurements for baking is not allowed. Next, we have pre. When we say pre, it means before. For example, we have preview, preheat, prepaid, and pretest. You need to preview the magazines before printing. I like to preheat my food to save time. Sheila bought a prepaid phone for her birthday, and I need to take the pretest today. Next prefix is super. It means above or beyond. For example, we have superstar. She became the youngest superstar of her generation. We have superhuman. Being a superhuman is not easy. Supernatural. There are many supernatural events that could happen. And superintendent. He was a superintendent for 9 years. And next we have re. Re means again. Next we have re, which means again. Next we have re, which means again. For example, we have recount. I need to recount the points because they were noisy. Recycle. You need to recycle plastics so you can save the environment. Next we have rebuild. Sarah needs to rebuild the sandcastle. Jack is trying to recall where he saw the car. Next, we have miss, this, and un. It means not, opposite of, or wrongly. For examples, misbehave. Please do not misbehave while inside the church. Next, we have disagree. I totally or strongly disagree with your idea. Unattended. I tried calling her, but it keeps saying she's unattended. And lastly, we have disorder. And things are always in disorder. Those are all the most common prefixes that we often use. Next one, we have the suffix. When we say suffix, these are letters that are attached to the end of a root word. For example, we have y, which means smart by having. For example, sleepy. I feel sleepy if I watch documentaries. Lucky. Jake was so lucky to be chosen as the representative of the school. Snowy. The snowy season feels very refreshing. Rainy. Whenever rainy season comes, I feel emotional. Next, we have full. Full means full of or filled with. For example, we have hopeful. John feels hopeful that he will win the contest. Painful. The wound remains painful after all this time. Useful. All the things around us are useful. And we have thankful. I am thankful for all the things. Next one is less. It means without or lacking. For example, spotless. The house is spotless after cleaning. Homeless. There are many homeless persons on the streets. Third, we have breathless. I was breathless when she tried bungee jumping. And we have fearless. Jake was fearless in trying all sports. Next is we have able or able, which means it can be done. Comfortable. I feel comfortable staying in my room. Washable. Toys should be washable. Sensible. My teacher gave me some sensible advice. Flexible. She's been doing some exercises to become stronger and more flexible. And lastly, we have er, which means one who do the action. We have teacher. Being a teacher is my dream profession. Driver, I'm not a good driver. Baker. The baker in the neighborhood is very good. Farmer, our farmer is our provider of food. Those are all the different suffixes that we often use. I have here different words and I will give you the meaning and please provide the appropriate prefix or suffix. First is full of play. We have playful. Next one is next one is being able to be carried around or very handy. We have portable. Next is we have the one who dances. Dance. This one is reading again. That read. This one is relaxing. That unwind and we have you don't like this one.